Hello friends, my name is Ashok Sijal. In this session we learn the uh, logical operator in C language. So let us start. First I share my laptop screen and here fix the position, and here Turbo C++ for Windows base is, I just double click and now is open. So here new file is there. If not, then alter F and new file take as a same. I here write a definition, write a program to enter a year and find out that year is leap year or not. Okay, so that is our goal. Write a program to enter a year, 1 year you have to enter and find out that year is a leap year or not. So our definition we have to divide in three parts. First is a input, that is very important, and what is a process, and then we can say that out. So any definition you have to find three part, divide your definition. So here enter a year, that is our input. Okay, that is a year, and find out that year is a leap year or not. So that is our message, or you can say that that year is leap year or not. So you have to know very well what is a leap year. In a 4 year there is one leap year is there, and that February day is a 29, and generally simple year there is a 28 day in February month. So with the help of logical operator, and there are three logical operator, and or not, we can apply this definition leap year or not. First we can provide the link section and take our header file, and there are two main, we have to use conio and standard input output. Okay, console input output and standard input output, that is a full form. And main, we can start our coding. Every C program start with main function to every program, and here we can take integer in here. Okay, because there is an integer and there is only one required as a integer variable, and we can scan that value from user. So here we can say that enter uh, valid year, means 4 digit is there, you have to know valid year, and then scan f function we have to use, and just percentage d and m comma and ampersand year. You can take only y as a year variable, no problem. And here we can give the like simple marathon condition and with hop logical operator. First year module operator in arithmetic, and we can say that 4 equal 0. So we can just first apply simple uh, logic to our leap year or not. So if that divide by 4, then we can say that the year is leap, we can say that year. Or in else part, if else condition, just, and I just copy and paste, and the year is not, we can say that leap year. So first we have to here not use any logical operator, just use a arithmetic module division operator, and that is a reminder, means zero sesh is like in, you can say that reminder in Gujarati sesh. So there is a, if a zero reminder is there divided by module division 4, then that year is a leap, otherwise it is not a leap year. So we can provide simple first if condition, if and else condition. Okay, that is a decision or branching statement. And now I have to save our file, and that is a, we can say that leap, and there is leap year, but there is a long file name, there is 9 character. So we can just provide lip underscore y. Okay, lip year for y, lip year. Yes, that type of dot c. And also you can give just lip. There is no problem. You can identify that is a lip year. Okay, so lib dot extension C, and let us check. I compile this file. Yes, there is a lib.exe file is generated, and just enter key control F9, and we provide 2020 to current year, and there is a, yes, that is a leap year because that is divided by 4. Okay, and again I run and give 2021. So there is a not a leap year. Okay, but there is a you can say that half true, because in the leap year every 100 year there is a leap year, and in any 400 year there is a not leap year. There is, that type of condition is there. So here we can take some marathon condition and logical first and operator we have to use, and here module 100 and equal to 0, that is also leap year, and we can bind this whole condition and provide one parenthesis, like one parenthesis here to here, and logical and operator, and provide the parenthesis and main parenthesis, and here we can apply here not equal to 400, because there are 400, there is not a leap year. That is a condition in, that is a half true, that is a leap year or not, that is simple condition. Okay, but there is a, in 100 year there is a leap year is appear, but in 400 there is a not leap year is possible. So we can bind the and logical and condition operator. So I just a rough idea how many logical operator in C language. So that is 2 ampersand sign, that is logical and operator, and these 2 pipe, that is sign, and that is known as a or, and that exclamatory sign is a not sign. So there are 3 logical operator in C language. I just write here equal, we can say that operators. Okay, so you can idea there are 3 logical operator, and or and not. Here we can use 2. Okay, here logical or, and here and. Okay, not is here we can not equal to, that is relational operator, and if you provide like just, that is a not sign in logical not, but there is not required to here not equal to. So that is condition is now okay, because I just repeat the condition, that is symbol like mini marathon condition is there now. So you can first understand very easy, but we can, some student is difficulty. So here you can know very well 4 year after that is leap year is coming, that is half true, but or 100 year there is a leap year is also there in our calendar. We can say Gregorian calendar is sent, that type many type of calendar is there, but that condition is there, and logical and, but 400 4000 400 year after the that DC, that is not a year, leap year, so not equal to. So both we have to combine with and operator. So then and then that is a leap year, otherwise it is not leap year. So let us check that is working well or not. So we can here give the like 20 30. So let us check it is a not a leap year. Okay, okay, now we can give the 20 200 2100. So that is a leap year, because 1 year that is possible, and we can give the like 2400. So that is also as a leap year. Okay, so you can check now previously first 2020, yes, that is a leap year, and 2021, that is not a leap year. So our yes, that is a not leap year. So previous our logic is also work as good, and our 400 year, that is appear to leap year, and 100, that is appear to the leap year, and but 400 year, that is not appear to the leap year. So we can also test like our previous like to 1900. So that is a leap year, but we can say that like hmm, uh, 18 BC, 1800. So that is also leap year. And now I can just 1700. So that is also leap year. So you can test now this condition, that is 4, that is a possible. So now I run was uh, 2 2022. Okay, so that is not leap year. Okay, so and now I give 2022 4 22 we have to give, and let us 3 first check. Yes, that is not a leap year, but 2024 is a leap year. So that is our simple logic is work also, and we can check the 100 year after is a leap year is also possible, and 400 year it is not possible to leap year. So I hope you can understand, and there are 3 logical operator, and or not. Here we can use only 2, but not is not required in this program. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this session, and what is a leap year in clear your mind. Okay, so I just uh, here I just revised this is a leap year and or. So any one is true, then that is true. That is logical or operator. That is true. This true, then there is not checking for this. But in logical and operator, these both are considered. Any one of these one is true, and this is true. Then and then we can say that that is a leap year. So that is meaning of logical and or not. Not means you can assign like here I just reference for you. Not means true or if this is not true. So here is not like this. So not equal. Only not true or like inventor in your circuit design like inverter. True, false, and false is a true. That is a not sign. Logical not. True is false, and false is a true value. So that is not. So that is 3 logical operator in C language. So I complete my session. Alter F function 3 I close, and alter X quit. Subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academic. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, sharing, and supporting. And thanks again. Hare Krishna.